Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 2 stars and the Sudoku with 3 stars. In this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 8th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. And the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 5299. Yeah, 5299. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Wow. There are a lot of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh, miscount. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Oh, wait. We have here 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Well, need to think now. Need to think. Well. Ay. Double one. Overlook this. Double one. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think now we need to compare. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright. The question is the rows or the columns? Do we have a double one? A one. This color, this row and that row. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And I need to compare one more time. Okay. Double one here. 10. Yeah, this row. And I believe that row. Oh, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 0. So the rest are ones. Double 1, there no. Finished in 5 minutes. You need to compare this puzzle twice, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.